Welcome to the Curia Court Management Suite by Apex Incorporated. Apex is a special-purpose, not-for-profit agency set up by the CCJ and dedicated to the delivery of technology-enabled solutions and capacity-building services to support the development and strengthening of Caribbean court ecosystems. The CCJ has mandated Apex to implement and support court technology solutions and services to Caribbean courts, facilitate the development of a region-wide ecosystem for court service innovation and support, and serve as a trust bridge between technology service providers and the region's courts. The Apex vision is to improve access to justice, improve public accountability, and provide a range of high-quality solutions and services to the courts, litigants, lawyers, justice partners, and the public. The Curia Court Management Suite is a productivity tool created to manage the full life cycle of a case, and furthermore, provide executive insights into the overall performance of the courts. Our technology solution leverages the use of software, hardware, and cloud technologies to bring the judicial system to the highest level of performance. The Folio e-filing platform delivers electronic filing via secure web portal for attorneys, self-represented litigants, and government agencies. Attaché is a powerful case management tool that allows court officers to manage all aspects in the life cycle of a case as it moves through the courts. Sightlines Performance Toolkit automates the production of court intelligence reporting and analytics, making it possible to develop new lines of sight into the efficiency of operations. Kiosk allows easy e-filing of cases using Folio functionality. Register is a central repository for the court contact directory for judges, attorneys, judicial officers, registrars, court administrators, and others. The mobile version of Attaché is easily accessible from any mobile device.
What is particularly good about the system is that it is online, it's not server-based. So anywhere you are, at home, at the office, anywhere, you can access all the information you need. It allows us to keep track of our performance standards. So supervisors are able to track their staff, and the staff members are able, more importantly, are able to track themselves to make sure that they're always on top of their work.
The system has worked well for us. It was much faster than anything else we've experienced, and everything is detailed, outlined. We are quite impressed by it, especially with the efficacy with which Curia staff have dealt with us to make sure we get online as quickly as possible.
I think it will have a great impact on the court and the efficiency of the court. The possibilities are plenty once all the judges start using the system. Will have a maximum impact.
With Apex and the Curia software suite, courts in the region have a unique opportunity to leverage indigenous as well as international expertise to accelerate the evolution of Caribbean jurisprudence. Apex Incorporated, improving Caribbean courts, strengthening Caribbean justice delivery. For more information, visit us at www.apexponents.com.